The price of Bitcoin currently looks like it could break out very, very soon. Currently, we're sat at $21,183 as the price of Bitcoin continues to head to the upside. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my current open trades, what I've got open right now in terms of altcoins and on Bitcoin. We're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin, look at the current price of XTP. What do we expect to happen to the price of XTP this weekend? And of course, I'm going to show you lots of things in today's video. So if you wouldn't mind, drop a like on it. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel because we're going to discuss some interesting things today. So we're going to try to hit 700 likes. So drop a like on today's video. Subscribe to the channel, trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. And let's crack straight on with today's video. So currently, of course, the price of Bitcoin is looking to break to the upside. This is the 5-minute chart for Bitcoin. And currently, the control line is sitting down here at approximately $22,950. The current price of Bitcoin, $23,182. And I'm in a lot of different open positions right now. I actually increased the size of my Ethereum trade today to about $143,000 because again, if we are going to pump to the upside, I want to catch that pump. Currently, it's in a loss because I opened it too high. That has brought my average entry price down now to about $1,612. So that's pretty nice, assuming that we do break to the upside. The current price on Ethereum is $1,606. Other trades that I've got open is this Algorand trade right here, now $3,700 in a profit. This Blue Zell trade, now $229 in a profit. The BNB trade, no longer $100 in a loss. It's currently only $80 in a loss. The Bitcoin trade is currently $11,000 in a profit. Ignore this one because that's not important and only like a $20 position. Then we have the Phantom trade, now $7,600 in a profit. Still holding on to this one, hoping for higher highs. And the Link trade down here at $4,300 in a profit, followed by the UNFI trade, currently $4,800 in a profit. Combined, that's a large amount of money right now. If you actually look at the combined profit between all of these trades, right now I'm currently sat at $31,500, which is not a bad week's work, to be honest. That if you add it up per month, it's about 120 grand a month. And these are not my only trades. These are just a select few of them. Of course, I'm a big investor in the altcoin space. I have a lot of Bitcoin. It's been a fantastic week for me. A fantastic week, as it will have been for many of you that watch the channel. So do drop a like and make sure you are subscribed because we need to get on to the fact that what do I intend on doing with this? Am I going to take profits right now? Well, the simple answer to that is no. I'm holding out. I believe that currently we may have formed an inverse head and shoulders pattern that could potentially break the neckline. And when we do officially break the neckline, the level of which we need to break is this higher level right here, currently sat at $23,278. So basically a clean break with an hourly candle closing above $23,300. That would mean we pump to the upside very quickly, and that could happen tonight. It might not happen tonight. If it doesn't happen tonight, I'm still not writing it off this weekend because Bitcoin is pretty prone to opening CME gaps, especially at the start of bull market. So don't write off a pump, even if it does past midnight and we're still not pumped yet. I intend on making some more videos this evening. I think it's going to be a fairly exciting evening this evening, or at least I'm expecting it to be. So it should be a fairly interesting watch. Anyway, so Bitcoin's price obviously looks bullish right now. We've broken through this final resistance level, started rallying to the upside, and the final level of which we need to break through is the same as this level right here. Last time we broke through it, we failed to close an hourly candle above this level. But as I pointed out, what this did was wipe out a lot of the selling pressure at these levels, allowing Bitcoin's price, when it reattempts this move, to pass through firmly this level of liquidity that you see on the screen right here. However, if we're to go over now to the daily chart, what is Bitcoin looking like on the daily chart right now? Because to me, it's looking fantastic, like really, literally fantastic is Bitcoin. We're at this final level of resistance here that you can see on these volume bands. After this level, we really have very little left resistance all the way up to this next level of resistance up here. Now, at a bare minimum, today, I would kind of expect Bitcoin's price to break up to the next purple line right here. That next purple line, this one right here, is currently sitting at approximately $24,500. If I was to guess a realistic pump that we would receive this evening, I would say it's up to about $24,500 and then probably meander around for the course of the weekend, then potentially break upwards come Monday. But as it is right now, I maintain my long positions. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I believe the prices will probably continue to rise because every single time Bitcoin attempts a wick downwards, it then corrects that wick with an even bigger wick to the upside. So what is currently the VWAP saying as well? I want to check in on the VWAP because it's been such a reliable indicator recently. So recently, every time we know something about the VWAP. So let me quickly explain. Basically, when the VWAP starts hugging the red bands, it tends to go straight to the upside. It does that quite a lot. However, when you get these green flashes That's a kind of a buy signal right there. We didn't get a green flash here. However, we did drop below the bottom of the VWAP on the hourly chart, bounce back to the upside, and then started hugging the red. From my perspective, that leaves us in a very bullish scenario. Assuming that we break the neckline here on this inverse head and shoulders pattern, we should head to the upside, and the price of Bitcoin looks insanely bullish right now. When it comes to the price of Ethereum, Ethereum's price is currently sat at $1,604, and this is what we discussed as a couple of scenarios in yesterday's video. I said, look, it is possible that we drop back down and come and test this line. However, we failed to drop down, and in fact, Ethereum's price is pumping to the upside, the level of which Ethereum needs to break out above in order to confirm that breakout is $1,620. That is exactly here. The second that we break through $1,620 and close an hourly candle above that level, we will see the price of Ethereum rocket to the upside and probably stop somewhere around $1,750. Currently, the price is $1,604, so there is quite a lot of upside to be had in this trade right now, and there's a lot of upside in all of the altcoin trades right now. Just like I've been mentioning UNFI and FTM. If we check on the price of FTM and see what it's been doing recently, if I bring it up on the screen right here, this is the current price action on the price of FTM. I just explained in the previous video that this was an accumulation zone and it looked like it was going to break to the upside. We broke to the upside, then we failed in this kind of bull penanting kind of formation, and we're making a slightly larger bull pennant essentially, but at the same time we hugged the green down here, we've bounced back to the upside, and hopefully we start hugging the red. Ultimately, we've got this last volume level to break through on the price of Phantom before Phantom really doesn't have a whole lot of resistance left. In fact, let me bring it up on a daily chart to give you some perspective on this. It is down bad right now, is Phantom. But essentially, when we break through this final level of resistance, there's really no sell liquidity in this entire range, meaning that the price of Phantom should return up to its previous low here at about, where is that wrong side, $1. And that's why I'm holding on to my Phantom trade. I think I could make some serious cash out of that Phantom trade, hence why I'm still in it. Do I think it's a good time to enter it? I think it's never a bad time to actually buy an asset. Would I be going long on Phantom right now is a different question. I am long on Phantom, but would I be longing it as a speculator? I'd be more likely to just buy the underlying asset here. Now, just checking in on the price of XTP coin. XTP coin is currently sat at 70 Satoshis. The liquidity on the sell side has filled in a little bit, but the liquidity on the buy side seems significantly larger. I ultimately I'm very bullish on XTP. I'm expecting some big moves in the price of XTP over the course of the next couple of weeks. I just expect this for technical reasons, being that this is currently a bullish formation, technically with a bit of an inverse head and shoulders pattern going on as well. But at the same time, there's some serious growth in this application that is attracting some serious interest from investors. And I expect that investors are going to start waking up to tap fairly soon again. Volume dropped off a little bit today, but that's nothing bad. Ultimately, volume drop off just means that basically everybody's happy with what they've got. And ultimately, if sell volume is increasing at the same time as buy volume, that's a good thing. It means that the market is basically in equilibrium and ready for another leg to the upside. So I'm expecting that leg up on what's it called? Not FTM, XTP fairly soon. I do expect that leg up. But anyway, back to the video because I accidentally forgot to include the XTP part, so I've had to edit it in. The level of which to watch anyway on Bitcoin is $23,300. That's the top of this candle right here. If we start hugging the red, it's more than likely that we break to the upside and we have a fantastic evening. So on that note, guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. Don't forget, of course, if you are interested in trading, please do check out BYBIT and BitGet, for which you'll find links in today's video description. That is the exchange that I'm trading on here. It is BYBIT, even though my computer doesn't load it properly. Just ignore that. It's my computer's fault. It's not BYBIT's fault. And the other exchange, of course, that I'm trading on currently, that I've got $14,000 in now, just from my investments into BGB coin, which I've been buying a fair bit of recently, and I've been buying a fair bit of Polkadot, wherever that may be in this kind of portfolio. But essentially, if you are interested in trading, please do check out links to both of those exchanges in today's video description. Both of them have got fantastic sign-up bonuses. Click on those links. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.